Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Moto G04. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then go to system. And here select languages option. And here select system languages. And see here, by default English India is available. If you want to add some other language, click on add a language here, and here select the language that you would like to add. Here I select Tamil India and it is added now. If you would like to add some more language other than Tamil, again go to the add a language and select another one. Here I select Katla and it has been added. So in this way you can add many language. Okay, now I select this language. Okay, so if you want to change to this selected language, particular language, just you go to set that language in the first position. Okay, as of now first position is English, so you go to track like this to activate. Okay, and click on change now. Yes, language has been changed to Tamil. Okay, if you want to activate another language, just move that language, particular language, to the first position and click on change, and it will be changed. Okay, so language has been changed to what language I moved to first position. Okay, if you want to set back to default English language, you go to set English to the first position and click on change button and it will be changed. So in this way you can easily add many language in the list, and then you can set the desired language from the list. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.